friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we'll do the unboxing and hands-on with the Zakk Hunter G50 Bluetooth headphones. So Zakk has announced this Bluetooth headphones in India. So Zakk is basically a product which is conceptualized in Dubai, and they have been active in India. They have been selling their products to Amazon and Flipkart. So now they have this Hunter G50 series headphones, which looks pretty good, and this is the box packing of the Zakk Hunter wireless Bluetooth headphones. So in this video we'll just unbox this. We'll have a look at the material quality, the features offered. So at the back of the box mentions the details. So you can see that it comes with the specifications include built-in wireless, range is 10 meter, micro SD card slot is there, a built-in FM radio is included, there is aux cable, there is Bluetooth, and playback time is 6 hours. So that's the playback time. So you can see that inside the box you get the Zakk Hunter G50 headphone. So you can see the image of the headphone, then carrying case, carry pouch, and carry cable. So you get the charging cable, carrying pouch, and the user manual is included. So you can see that it features a built-in microphone with noise cancellation technology, SD card reader is there, aux port is there, playback controls, and even FM radio is included. So it's an all-in-one Bluetooth headphone, and the company claims that this is rich in sound as well as portability. And this has a good bass performance and crisp tones. That's what the company claims. So we'll have to test it out. So this device is priced 2070 rupees. So that's pretty good pricing as well for the features it offers. So this is Zakk G50 variant. So let's open the box package and we'll have a look at the headphone. So there you go. So this is the Zakk Hunter G50 series, and you can see that it's been given a chrome finish, almost like silver finish. We have the Zakk branding here, so you can see here again a leather kind of finish given, and looks really nice. The stitching and everything looks pretty good, and you get the controls on the headphone. You can see the power button, and then you have the option to play and take calls. The volume up and volume down key, USB charging, the aux cable port, and on this side let's see where there is also, you can see that the charging light here it's available, and there's also micro SD card slot here. So in case you want to directly listen from micro SD card, so that you can do from this. So 6-hour playback is something which the company claims, so that's quite good. A micro SD card playback is something which is pretty good, and the overall build quality seems really nice. So we'll just power on this Bluetooth headphone, and then we'll see how this works. You can see that as soon as I power on, you can see the light. Now you can easily pair this to the device, and you can listen to songs. So now looking at the headphone qualities, you can see that the cushioning looks pretty good. It's pretty soft material. We have to see how durable it is in long-term usage, but looks pretty good, and it's pretty kind of easy to use, and it's comfortable over the years. So that's something which Zakk has done pretty well. So that's the Zakk Bluetooth headphones, and let's see what else comes inside the box. Inside the box you get there is a manual included. So this is the manual included with the box package. So the Hunter Bluetooth earphones user guide is included. Then you get a pouch. So it's a very standard pouch included, nothing much to talk about that. Then I also have the aux cable included. So this is the aux cable, and finally the charging cable is also included with the box package. So that's all inside the box. So that's the Zakk Hunter Bluetooth headphone. So overall the quality looks pretty good for the pricing for 2000 rupees. This definitely looks nice, and the sound quality is also quite acceptable. The bass performance is pretty good. So overall, if you're looking for an affordable Bluetooth headphone, this is definitely good performance, and overall clarity of the headphone also looks quite okay. Now the finishing is something which looks really premium, even though this is on a budget. So that was the unboxing and hands-on with the Zakk Hunter G50 headphones, which is priced rupees 2070 in India, and this is now available in India. So they have been selling this on Flipkart and Amazon, so you can buy it from online in India. So that's all guys, hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the red subscribe button for more videos. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.